Let me show you exactly how to add a picture to your Outlook email. I'm in Outlook now and clicking New Email. The new message window opens, and I'm clicking in the body where the photo should sit. That placement matters because the image goes wherever your cursor is. Before you do anything else, look at the Message tab. Skip Attach File. That sends the photo as a separate download, not an inline image. We need the photo inside the message. Now click Insert in the top ribbon. The toolbar switches to the Insert options. Click Pictures. A drop-down opens with this device, stock images, and online pictures. I'm choosing this device because I already have the file saved. On some Outlook builds, this says from this device, but it's the same action. The file dialog opens. If you don't see your images, check the file type drop-down near the bottom right and set it to all pictures. I'm picking a JPG or PNG. A real file name like product photo final.png works fine. Select the file and click Insert. Outlook drops the picture at your cursor, and you'll see selection handles on the corners. Outlook often inserts the photo at full resolution, so it may look huge at first. Now don't drag the side handles. They stretch the image and make it look wrong. Drag a corner handle instead. Corner handles keep the proportions. I usually pull the bottom right corner inward until the picture is about half the message width. That reads well on a phone and keeps the email from getting bloated. Your image is in the body and sized. Before you send, click the picture once. The Picture Format tab appears. If you want text to wrap around the image, click Wrap Text and choose Square. The text moves around the picture instead of leaving a big blank space next to it. Another thing people miss is the file size. In that same Picture Format tab, click Compress Pictures and choose Email 96 pixels per inch. That drops the size a lot without making the photo look bad on screen. If you need exact dimensions, click the image and look at the size boxes in the Picture Format tab. Type a width like 3 inches, and Outlook sets the height automatically because the proportions are locked. If you need that same picture as a normal attachment instead, click the Message tab and use Attach File. But for an inline image, you're already done. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.